Hello guys, today I've got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to change the ear tips. It's very simple and easy. Take one earbud into your hands and try to unwing, try to do something like this with your tip, like this. Here, as you can see straight from this, you need to take every single edge of this and flip it around. Now here you can take this little thing off the speaker grill without damaging it. You can do this with your nail, but just a little bit. And let's assume that this is a new one. You need to unwing it, flip it like this, and you need to find the position of the speaker and align this with the position of your tip. For me, it's something like this. Now just try to use some strength and put it onto the speaker grill. Like this. We're getting closer and closer, and voila, it's done. Don't use force, don't use strength at all, of course. Only a little bit while putting it back again, but apart from that, try not to use force at all. Goodbye.